Hey guys, Dustin Sherman with Hartleys Auto and RV Center. Today I am in the 2019 Cirrus 820 truck camper. This is geared towards anybody with a 2500, 250, something with a 3/4 ton or bigger, with a 6.5 foot box or bigger. So these units are awesome, very well built, Amish build. Okay, so now I'm going to walk around the 820 with you, just describe it a little bit. The 820 has an aluminum roof. It's completely 100% an aluminum body, all laminated with the Astel composite. It is a 4-season camper, so you can definitely go around this all year. It's got the insulated LP compartment, heated and insulated subfloor, heated and insulated doors and windows, and electric jacks with the remote. It does have a walkable roof. Now let's walk around and show you all the options this thing has on the outside. First off, keyless entry. You've got your diamond plate step. All LED lighting. They are wired, and there is an option to have a backup camera installed on there as well. All of them have the electric jacks. You've got your black tank flush on here now. These are for your awning rods. Power. Exhaust. This is where your battery where your battery goes. Then down here is where you put your sewer hose. You got your awning up top with your LED lighting and your external speakers. All the windows, including the big window in the front, do open up. They all have inside shades and screens. Coaxial cable for cable. Outside access for your panel for your fridge. Two 20-pound propane tanks. Your city connection or your water connections, giving your unit power. Outside storage. Fuse box. And you also have a couple controls, and that's where your controller for your awning and your jacks are. You can actually run your awning and your jacks from inside. I will do another video on that later. Right here gives you your outside shower, your battery disconnect switch, your hot water heater bypass valve for winterization, and then you've got everything. Basically, you've got your dump station here. So now I'm sitting inside the unit. I'm sitting at the dinette right now that does turn down into a dinette sleeper. Now we're looking at the kitchen area. You've got your 2-burner stove. You've got your control panel here. Your sink. You've got your cabinetry up here with your microwave. A nice big fridge. A lot of drawers, a lot of cabinetry in here, all high end. Little wardrobe. Now this, as you can see by the sticker, will hold 100 pounds. Perfect for guns, perfect for fishing rods and lures and tackle, all your gear, but also flips up into a regular cabinet too. Again, at 100 pounds, you could fit a kid up there if they'd like to sleep up there. You've got your AC and heat. Your heat is done by the Aldi system, which is your heat and hot water. Right here's your bathroom. You do use a curtain to go around the inside. Froley sleeping system. I had to get up here and show you this too. I mean, this has a lot up here. You've got lights up here. You've got little reading lights in the corner. Storage everywhere. They've got storage here. They've got your charging station up here. Your 19-inch television with your with your head unit too, that is also used as a DVD player. This opens right up too, which gives you a great breeze in here.